Garudasana is a standing pose in which the practitioner twists one arm with the other and one leg with the other. The term comes from the Sanskrit words garuda, eagle, and asana, pose. Garudasana is also referred to as eagle pose in English. Begin in mountain pose, then cross the left thigh over the right thigh and hook the left foot behind the right calf, knees bent. The right elbow is then placed into the crook of the left elbow as the palms of both hands come together. Repeat on the other side. Garudasana strengthens and stretches the ankles and calves, stretches the thighs, hips, shoulders, and upper back, improves concentration and improves sense of balance. So this is all about Garudasana. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.